Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I'm just here to share some cards that I've received in the mail today and over the last week or so. And I absolutely love receiving cards in the mail. It really makes my day. So the first one we've got here, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. I really like that design. I'm going to be seeking out which stamp set that is and having a try because I think that is a lovely design. And this is from the lovely Trisha, my lovely my lovely teammate. She's awesome. So she's just sent me that, and it just says, "Some happy mail for you. Thanks for your help and support. Love, Trisha." AKA Smithy, because I call her Smithy. And Trisha's a Scottish demonstrator and she's absolutely awesome. I'm really rooting for her because she's very close to reaching silver. So yeah, it will be party time in Team Scrimper in the next few weeks when she gets there. So that's from her. Beautiful. Beautiful card. And this one here is from a lovely lady. She's written me, I'll just cover her address up, a lengthy note there, and her name's Anne B, I know her as, and she's a lovely lady, and she sent me this to say that she watches my channel and it's inspired her to get crafting again, and I'm so pleased. And what a lovely card, and she did stamp the envelope as well, which I thought was really lovely. So thank you for that, Anne. I really do appreciate it when people take the time, you know, and you know, it costs money to send things in the post, so I'm always super grateful. And then this little beauty here is from the lovely Julie. Over there, she normally has a crafty name on. She's a Stampin' Up demonstrator over there in New Zealand, I think it is. I'm sure it's New Zealand, it is. And she's originally from the UK. And I've had a few things from Julie now. She sent me a lovely gift box and things a while back, and a beautiful pop and fold, are they called, beautiful card. And she was one of my blog candy winners, so I sent her a little bit of something in the mail. It wasn't much because New Zealand's quite a distance, and she sent me this beautiful card that is absolutely lovely. So she's heat embossed that's the brand new Magnolia Lane, and then it looks like she's watercoloured it. Really pretty, and I love this. I love that scallop. That must be the die that comes in that set. I don't have that. So there you go. Thank you for the lovely items. And then this one is another one from another lovely lady in my team, and her YouTube name is Apple Lover 13. She does a lot of stuff with scan and cut. She's very clever lady. All my team are clever. And she's the lovely Ashley, and she sent me this with a list because I give my team reward vouchers when they promote, or if they reach certain sales, I send them vouchers, and she's cashed them in, she's weighed them in, as it were. So she sent me this card with her list of what she'd like me to order, and I think this is beautiful. I'm assuming she's done that on the scan and cut, either that or she's like amazing at fussy cutting, because that is absolutely perfect, and the colouring on that's really beautiful, and I love how she's done the stitched edge detail around those circles, and then we've just got the very lovely and simple hello at the bottom. So all of those are all inspirational in different ways, and they all are lovely smiles in the mail. So I do like to come on and show what people send me and say a huge thank you. So I hope you've enjoyed those. I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you again soon.